Alright, so in this problem, guys, I have a concentrated solution, and the concentrated solution is 3 molar. And I'm basically asking you, okay, what steps do I have to complete in order to dilute that solution? So, my first question is, alright, my ultimate goal is to produce a solution that has this volume and this molarity. So, I'm going to have to take my concentrated solution, get a certain amount of that, and then just add water to dilute it so its final concentration is 1.25 molar. So, since I'm diluting, this is going to be an M1 V1 equals M2 V2 problem. Alrighty. Now, I know that my molarity is 3.00 molar, and I'm trying to find out what volume of that I want. So I'm solving for V. I know that my final concentration needs to be 1.25, and that my final volume needs to be 0.300. Okay. So now I'm going to solve for V1. I take 1.25, multiply it by 0.300, and then divide that whole thing by 3. And I find that the volume I want is 0.125 liters. Now, as far as sig figs are concerned, I'm good because that's 3, that's 3, that's 3. So this is 0.125 liters of my concentrated solution. So of 3.00 molar Ki. So I took my concentrated solution. I only need 0.125 liters of the concentrated solution. The rest I'm going to add as water. So this was step 1. Now step 2 is going to be to add the rest as water. I want a final volume of 0.300. If I already have 0.125 liters, all I have to do to figure out how much water to add is just subtract, and I get that I need to add 0.175 liters of H2O. So this is the really cool thing about these problems. Once you figure out how much of your concentrated solution you need, so the fact that I needed 0.125 liters of the 3 molar Ki, after that point you just add enough water so that you have the correct final volume. So 0.125 plus 0.175 gives me 0.3 liters, which is my final volume I want. So I'm good with that. And the really cool part is that if you just add that amount of water, you will end up with this concentration, which is what the whole purpose of this was to do, was to take the 3 molar solution and dilute it properly. So that's all you have to do for these.